Hi, I'm Adam Lee from Lancashire. I've just recently started TTL as a post-applications engineer. Post-application engineer, my predominant role will be doing post-processes within NX on various machines from 3-axis mills to 5-axis, on turning, mill turns, wire EDM machines. The role at TTL, I've previously worked and seen some of the work what TTL produce and offer, and I was absolutely flabbergasted at the professional level of work and the resources which are offered to people. The diversity, the complexity, the varying fields which are offered within the market, which we have access to, the ever-growing technology boundaries are constantly being pushed, which we're always striving to develop in and offer services to, which is something you can't really find anywhere else. Working within the team at TTL, I have found everyone has such a professional work ethos, but they're also human beings who we all get on with each other and have such enthusiasm in everything we actually produce, which helps me to strive to constantly give my all to TTL as like a family member. Some of my hobbies predominantly involve cars, motorbikes, producing parts for all these, which then falls into my underlying enthusiasm for engineering at home, which I've over the years invested and bought small machines from lathes, milling, which help me keep pushing forwards at home, understanding different markets and then bringing that back into my working life. A lot of mine are predominantly technical hobbies, but then I also fall into riding my motorbikes with some of the local motorbike groups I'm in. I also help within the local community for protecting our local green spaces and some other local, like litter picking and everything. And yeah, no, that's predominantly it. So my professional life, I've always varied in what I've done, but predominantly it's been engineering for aerospace. I've worked in with screw compressors, pump compressors. I've worked for oil and gas, which was a completely different concept on bringing me more into the mnemonics, which then led me into the aerospace industry. I've also worked at machine tool suppliers for cam and crank grinding, which was where I started my apprenticeship and developed a love for programming, fabrication and conventional machining, which gave me a very good, diverse beginning to my engineering career. Although I've only worked within TTL for a short period of time, I'm very looking forward to working on some of the complex solutions in the future.